Inventors and entrepreneurs, we're talking about Silicon Valley. Welcome to Palo Alto, California. Bold Patents proudly supports inventors here in the heart, if not the first, well-known place for all of startups and entrepreneurial beginnings. This place is for you. If you're an inventor entrepreneur, there's tons of resources. I'm going to pick just the top 5 here and talk about them today. These are really well-known companies, incubators, resources for you, the entrepreneur, as you get to know your area here in Palo Alto. So first of all, I can't go without saying StartX Accelerator. This is where a lot of AI startups, including Lighthouse AI, just got their launch. It's a community, right? Self-starters, high-tech, high-growth community. They offer mentorship as well as community outreach together. Number 2, the probably best well-known accelerator is Y Combinator. Y Combinator is a world-leading, a lot of highly influential legal business influence comes here. A lot of Stanford graduates go through Y Combinator. This is the place for Silicon Valley to provide funding, mentorship. Best well-known startup that came out of Y Combinator is Airbnb. I think everyone probably listening to this call has used Airbnb. So number 3, Plug and Play Tech Center. Maybe not so well known, but this is actually, it's a global innovation platform connecting startups with major corporations, investors across lots of different sectors, from fintech to hardware, computer implemented inventions, mobility, IoT, and so on. Number 4, the Palo Alto Research Center, the PARC. This is more R&D, so focus on technologies such as artificial intelligence, hardware solutions, networking, and more. The last one here is TechCode Accelerator. It supports early stage tech startups with resources, mentorship, and access to global markets. This focuses on big data, intelligent hardware, and artificial intelligence. So Palo Alto is the place for you to be to gain knowledge, insights as an entrepreneur. If you're just getting started, check out these 5 resources. Make sure you've got somewhere to be, some other human beings to bounce your ideas off of as you get forward. If you have an invention, you want to talk about confidentially moving that invention toward patent eligibility and patent filing, get hold of us here at Bold Patents, locally here in Palo Alto, helping you, the inventor, protect what's yours. Have a great day, everybody. Go big, go bold.